Yes, we did it! We did it! Unbelievable!
Tranquilizer deployed. Monitor vitals. Vitals stable. Applying foam and securing the family unit now.
Grey Wolf family and ravens successfully relocated to protected wildlife sanctuary.
The wind is picking up. We need those birds secured now. Initiate full-spectrum decontamination on site. Acknowledged, Doctor. Moving to the primary nest.
Tranquilizer deployed. Monitor vitals. Vitals stable. Applying foam and securing the family unit now. Decontamination is complete. The raven colony and wolf pack are now successfully relocated to the reserve, free from toxic exposure.
Initial assessment reveals catastrophic toxic damage. The frame is completely corroded from acid rain exposure. Full restoration required.
Decon complete. Recovery team, status check. Winch engaged. Proceeding with extraction.
Engage power now. Steady pull, watch the tension on those chains. Driver, hold your current bearing.
Initiate Decon Cycle 1. All teams, commence high-pressure washdown.
Okay, easy down on the front hooks, watch the tension.
Tension secure. Beginning the lift sequence now.
All right, team, initiating Decon Cycle 7. Monitor foam levels on the running gear. We need that full assessment complete before stand down. Hazmat recovery review successful. Initiating decontamination sequence now.
Digital scans confirmed. Section 4 Alpha shows salvageable military-grade plating. Acknowledged.
Decontamination phase complete. Armor integrity at 95%. Proceed to disassembly. Decontamination complete. Levels are safe. We're clear for detailed assessment. I've removed all the white garbage. This tank is completely clean now. Due to toxic infiltration, these military specification hydraulic systems require a complete rebuild protocol. We must assess restoration feasibility.
All right, begin the armor extraction. Careful with the corroded sections. Copy that. Lifting now. Watch the frame stability.
Decontamination inspection complete. Toxicity levels verified safe. Component surfaces ready for detailed assessment.
The electrical system is completely destroyed.
Confirmed. Total replacement is necessary for reliable operation.
All right, begin the armor extraction. Careful with the corroded sections. Copy that. Lifting now. Watch the frame stability. Disassembly completion assessment review. Documentation recording condition and requirements. Assessment reveals 90% replacement needed. Disassembly completion assessment review. Documentation recording condition and requirements. Assessment reveals 90% replacement needed.
All right, the frame is secure on the jig. Systems checked. Let's start the assessment.
Severe acid damage here. Structural integrity is compromised. We need extensive sectional replacement. Copy that. Confirming strength requirements with military-grade testing now. Will the toxic-ravaged fortress survive? Yev, smash subscribe for the impossible rebuild. Enjoy. Comment your prediction. The frame integrity restored with reinforcements exceeding original armor specs. Precision metalwork, verified by laser alignment. This is the precision armor component required for the fortress' unique specifications. Impressive work. The protective integrity looks perfect.
Frame restoration exceeds original specifications. Custom components are ready. Part 5 is complete.
The heart of the operation. This heavy-duty engine needs to meet fortress performance requirements. Precision is key here.
The tolerances are loose. Can we machine it to exceed? Do it.
All right, lowering the enhanced power plant now. Clear. Watching the alignment. Slow and steady. It needs to meet the fortress operational requirements. Perfect fit. Let's secure it.
Line it up. Precise movements. Perfect. Seated.
All components are prepped. Confirmed. Engaging descent.
Assembly complete. The fortress transformation is a success.
Excellent work. Gold restoration delivers again. Engine start verified. Hydraulics engaged. Armor deployment successful. Phase 7 complete. Systems check complete. Status is optimal. Incredible work. The transformation is remarkable. Gold restoration delivers every time.
Engine startup confirmed. Hydraulics engaging. Armor deploying. Systems green. Operational. Part 7 complete. Ready for finishing.
The pack should go here, preserving the family unit. Yes, exactly. We'll honor their story here.
Installation complete. Check the light synchronization. Wow. Spectacular appearance. Exceeds specifications significantly.
The radiation amber finish and wildlife tribute are flawless. An exceptional piece.
Exceptional. Show quality achieved. Part 8 complete.
ready for reveal.
Behold the phoenix of the apocalypse! The radiation amber doom fortress stands restored!
All right, just a little to the left. Perfect, final polish, team. Okay, lights up.
As you can see, the radiation amber paint is flawless. We paid special attention to the hand-painted wolf family artwork honoring the rescued wildlife.
All right, Fortress Transport, moving out. Copy that, proceeding with ultimate performance validation. Affirmative, representing the final restoration phase. All right, front treads are secure, all armor plates confirmed. Aran Varan crest and artwork fully intact. Looks like we're ready for the track.
Final inspection complete. The beast is ready. Impressive work, absolutely stunning. We're prepared for anything. Let the validation begin.
Yes! We did it! We did it! Unbelievable!
Grey wolf family and ravens successfully relocated to protected wildlife sanctuary. Restoration.